Big Juicy. I like to call her Big Sexy.
Yeah, I heard David call it that on his video.
Gotta shut her hard. There you go.
Alright, we're all locked in here, so
Yeah, you can either
make sure I don't sit on any buttons here.
No, ain't nothing over there you're gonna sit on that's gonna hurt anything.
Yeehaw! Here we go, guys. Very cool. Oh, we're up so high in here, yes. Doesn't seem like you're up that high till you get in here. Oh, yeah. Like we're at the rodeo riding the bull.
Right?
Yeah, the road don't look too bad down here. A couple little wet spots down there.
No, it don't. It was yesterday. It was still pretty, or the day before yesterday. It was still pretty sloppy. I went down through here with a tow truck and smoothed out a bunch of the water out of it. That's pretty nasty still.
Yeah, we got a little bit of a wet tunnel there. A little bit of a puddle up here. Not too bad. That's where our future driveway is going to be, hopefully. We'll see.
Wow. Looks like something fell down in there.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a branch down in there. Oh my gosh, you're not going in there, are you?
I'm going to go in there.
Oh my gosh.
We're going to clear out some stuff in here and see what she looks like down in here.
Be in here? Holy cow. Buckle up.
Right there.
Oh, there sure is. Oh, are you sure about this?
Oh, I'm not crossing the creek now. That drops off pretty good over there. I watched the dozer drop off in there, but I'm just trying to push some of it back.
Oh, okay. You're scaring me here now.
Just so we can kind of see what we got going on in here. Besides that, she'll pull herself out.
Before or after I have a heart attack?
Well, see, the dozer guy tried to come down in here.
Yeah.
And he did a nosedive with that dozer down in here, so.
Yeah, I can see why. It's a nice little creek right there. Holy cow. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she's pretty wet down in there. So it looks like we got a big stump behind this pile. We're going to see if we can't push it up a little bit. Oh yeah.
Yeehaw.
Creek a little better right there now. Well, it's normally a creek anyway.
Yeah.
Should say it's normally just a dry bed, but in the wintertime it becomes a creek. We'll have to get the backhoe in there and clean some of that out and see if we can't make us a little
path back there.
Yeah, a little bridge that crosses that.
Dump some gravel in there or something. Got a little bit of water over here on the left side in the ditch, not a whole lot. Right side is pretty clear. It's kicking it in turbo now.
Look at that beautiful mountain out there, yo.
Yeah, check that out. It's gonna be the blew out our front of our house one day. But it looks like we're heading into the enchanted forest back here.
Yeah, with all the dead trees and
Yep.
everything. Yeah, the dozer guy also tried to go down through there.
Yeah, that's
And,
pretty steep.
He
It's
got
hard
in
to
there and
tell,
got a
but-
little scared. And I took the pole litter back in there and I didn't have any problems.
There's a little trail we can get back in there with some proper protected gear. And that right there is where our RV's gonna go. Gary's gonna come back here and clear some stuff one day when we're ready. We got some spare T-posts down in there too. Oh goodness.
How close to the creek are you here?
I think it's at least 100 feet or more to the left of us.
I don't know. It looks like it's right there.
Oh, maybe. Kind of goes down in there. I'm not sure. Well, there might be more than one too, because I know the one that's down on the south side. That one comes out on the south west or east corner. Holy cow! I should get out of here. Record you from the outside.
You gotta experience it.
I'll let the tractor operator do that. I'll just witness it.
See what else we got over here. This is a little. Yeah, she's pretty thick down in here too.
Yeah, a bunch of little stuff. Like all clustered up in little bunches.
Let's see. Trying to find us a spot we can kind of push some stuff through. Punch us a hole. Look at there. That looks like a hole punching spot right there.
Holy cow. Gary's trying to freak me out here. Trailblazing, guys. Trailblazing. And it looks like it drops down right in there, too, in front of
Yeah.
us there to the right.
It does. these plants are back here, but it all looks like almost like cabbage.
They're like velvet.
Yeah.
I don't know, does anybody know what those are? Can you see those? They're like real velvety. Like big old lettuce, but they're velvety.
Yeah, super soft. I don't know what the deal is with those. But...
yeah, we're definitely going to need some gravel in here.
Well, I say, let's go down here and check out where the creek was and see what that's all about now.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like there may be another one that comes through here.
We're gonna lift our back bucket up a little bit. There we go. Oh, bus, we know it. There's some fencing and some fence posts right there.
Yeah, so there was something back here. Probably had some animals. Maybe a cow pasture or something back in here before all these trees were here. Holy moly. Alright, let's come back around here. We're going to go back down the road here to the south edge of our property and check out the access road area where the creek's at. On the right side there.
Yeah, you would think you could have piled it on one side, both sides instead of just one side.
Yeah. Maybe we'll get some decent lumber out of it. I don't know.
Yeah, that's pretty much all this small trashy stuff. I mean, you get some firewood out of here.
Some fence posts maybe. I don't know. I don't know how to tell which ones are cedar and whatnot yet, but
yeah, cedar's the ones you want the fence posts with.
If we find any cedars in that junk pile, then maybe we can keep those for the fence posts, but other than that, we got a whole ton of firewood all ready to dry it out for us by the time we get to it. There you can kind of see there's a wet spot that runs across the road. It goes into our creek that goes through the south end of the property. Oh, you can kind of see it right there.
Oh yeah, that's still pretty slick right there. Right there.
Got some water back in there.
Yeah.
Looks like maybe 6 or 8 inches or so in the creek possibly. Maybe a little more. Oh, we got a little path right here. This must be like where it goes back into Josh and Tavia's here.
Oh, that's not good. Oh. We hit a sinkhole.
Here, let me get out and record it.
Yep, there you go.
How do I get this open?
Push that right there.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to get out here and show Gary Gary will show us how to get out of this hole. Alright, I gotta get back in the beast here. Holy cow. Oh, I gotta push the button, I get it. Gotta be smarter than the tools we're working with, right?
That's right.
Or the toys that we're playing with. Alright.
Well, let's go ahead and get out of here. It's still too swampy back in here.
Yeah, I think it's too bush still.
Yeah, she's still pretty slick. Even like this little spot, this is where that guy had to put about 4 or 5 foot of dirt in.
Oh, but through it.
Just in case. I mean, I thought once, so I didn't want to take a chance on hitting it a second time.
Yeah. Now he's giddy up horsing here. Yeah, it's supposed to be dry out the next few weeks, so I think we'll let it dry out for a bit, and then we're gonna have to come back down here and let Gary.
Yeah, this road should have went way more straight back through that way anyway, so
Yeah.
the guy made it come in here and curve around instead of going straight through.
Right. Thinking he probably avoided that big tree there and decided to
That's
the
crazy.
rear.
He took that one out, and that one was right in front of that
big
one.
as big as that one. Yeah, lots of debris. We're gonna have a lot of work to do. But when we get done, it's gonna look as beautiful as Mary and Gary's property. How they got theirs all parked out.
Well, not all of it, but it's getting there.
Well, yeah, not all of it, but yeah, eventually.
Yeah, there'll be some serious mud holes back here. We ain't dealing with all that back there. Not our monkey, not our circus.
Right? Let them deal with that back there. I don't think we're really going to have to go past the RV section as far as where we drive. 'Cause our road's going to be on the inside. Probably enter in here and up north. But for now, go here. Hoping that we can do a road right through, right, you know, maybe inside of that tree. Holy cow.
Let's see what it does back here.
What's it look like? Oh, we're gonna go left here now. Yeah, we got a little ravine, like a ditch that runs right to my left and it goes around that way somewhere. I can't tell if it goes to the
Looks
right
like it
or
comes right
forward.
right up to here.
Yeah.
See it deep? How deep
Yeah,
it is right there?
yeah, it does. It starts right there. Maybe we could put our road on the left side of that, or the west side of it, and then have it run up the north side of our property so we could bypass.
Yeah, you'll have to get around that because that runs right around like that, looks like.
Yeah, so maybe when we do our road that goes to the north side, we on the other side of that tree right there, on the other side of where that ditch is, we can go straight to the north side from there.
Yeah, 'cause you can see how it goes downhill. So from back behind you, it runs down through here, and then curves around and goes around the front,
Yeah.
and then heads down to that big tree.
Yeah, so I think we'll move our road, our inner road, inside our line over on the other side of this, so we don't have to cross it again here.
Yeah, that gets pretty deep down in there.
And then we'll explore what the rest of the terrain looks like down in there towards the northwest corner. Yeah, I would imagine that a lot of the water sits in this little area over here to the left.
Yeah.
If we get a ton of it anyways.
I think that's why they cut this road around it.
Yeah, because it probably swamped out all the time. There's Mountain View over there. There's Mary is up over there.
There's trash out here.
It's back there was over a deer.
Oh.
When we walked down here the other day looking for Domino, Lexi and I saw it. There was a deer carcass there and that bag was over the head. somebody or something got the carcass. Back there, that's the corner of our property that starts up over there where the trees meet.
So if that creek bed runs through that way, it looks like it comes over this way, but I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, like right here, there's like a 2 or 3 of those, maybe 4-inch pipes there. But they've got like a makeshift little culvert there across the road. With looks like they put a couple bags of concrete over it or something. But yeah, right there, that would be really nice to be able to just come straight down this road and right in there.
Yeah.
But we will definitely have to do some culvert action.
In there,
yeah. We gotta do some rock or a culvert or some cinder block culvert or something. I don't know. We'll have to look into it more. Be nice just to be able to throw some gravel in there and kind of put some big rocks on each side of it and let the water filter through but not wash away the rocks. If we put some like big boulders on each side, it'll still pass through without taking the gravel out. Might be cheaper and easier.
Right.
I don't know. We'll have to see.
So here's where our property starts.
Yeah, right there. That's where Gary and Mary's property starts.
I see.
So we still got a ways to go on Gary and Mary's property. There's the last driveway there. It's pretty soupy in there at the beginning anyways. The rest of it don't look bad at all. It goes uphill pretty good from there, so it's really just the end piece down here.
Just the ditch trying to get in there.
Right? You might have to do the same thing. Put some make-believe or makeshift culverts.
Right in here is where the pond's going to be.
Yeah, right behind that tree line. That'll be the pond. That's where he's working at now. So I'd say you're getting, like, you probably got about 1/3 of your property cleared.
We're all the way back to about right in here.
Yeah.
Well, not all of it, but there's a couple of good spots. Yeah, we thought sure we were going to get in there today and be able to see right through there. We thought we were going to be able to get in there today and start roping it out, you know.
Yeah, it's still pretty soupy, and I'm sure that spot right in there is really soft.
Not so much soupy, it's just there's so many trees you can't get in there yet.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to go faster than what it did today, and no, that didn't happen.
Yeah, so they've got about 1/3 of their property gone through, and they're working on the second third right now. And then the last third is pretty much untouched except the driveway back there.
Back this down a little bit here for Sean. We'll go in there. I don't know, we'll see how that goes right there. Alright, madam, this is your scope.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna get out here and go start editing this video for tomorrow because this one's way more exciting than the one I was planning on doing. Well, thanks Gary for the ride.
You're welcome.
Alright everybody, say thanks Gary.
You're welcome. We'll see y'all soon.
See you tomorrow, bye. Alright, so I'm back. I just went on a tractor ride with Gary to go assess our property, and that was very exciting. Oh, my heart's racing. Well, I was planning on recording a video right now for tomorrow, but this one was way more exciting, so we're gonna save that video for the next day. So yeah, we're gonna get out of here for today, and I'm gonna start working on the next video. So hope you guys have a great day and you enjoyed the ride, and I gotta go take a break a second. So have a good one. Thanks to everyone for watching. Appreciate you. All right, Gary's out here working on our road here, our driveway here a little bit, so when Sean comes home he can not have such a mess to try to pull into. So he's compacted it down and smoothing it out a bit, so looks much better.
Sweet. Now you got a little more room to move around.
Yeah, I told him you're all done working for the day, but you're just having way too much fun with your cool new toy that you just can't stop.
Time is at 3 o'clock. All right.
Something like that. So yeah.
At least we got a bunch more done.
Yeah.
Got a little bit on that side.
Yep. More trailblazing. It's looking nice and clear.
Slowly but surely. We're still trying to keep a little bit of that on the front there so we can still see the mountain, but yet still have some privacy for the house because the house is going to be back off the roadways. But
right.
But still, be able to come down in here and cruise out and take a little trail and go out here to the pond.
Right, you're getting close to the pond area.
It's getting real close. Almost found that big trash pile back there. I mean, I'm almost to it, should I say. I got a couple of big dead trees right in the way, so I got to knock them down yet. But we're getting there.
Got that one there that's all been out of shape up there.
Yeah, the top of it. I'm just going to go ahead and take the whole thing down because I don't want to.
Right.
I don't want to mess with it.
Yeah, that one there's really pretty next to it. Oh, there's a dead one there too. Yeah. Right in front of you, those two.
So we're trying to keep a bunch of trees, as many trees as possible, but yet still give us some sunshine so we can get some grass in here, you know?
Oh yeah. Next summer is going to look spectacular with all the green grass growing in between everywhere. So
yeah, we had somebody comment on that about you're tearing up your yard so bad. Well, you know, whenever you're clearing a spot, that's what you do is you tear it up real good, then you come back and smooth it all out with tow truck, and then you plant your grass and everything comes up nice and beautiful.
Yeah, I was just telling Mary earlier, I said sometimes you just got to make a great big mess in order to clean things up.
That's it. And that's the way it works in the clearing business. You make a mess just to clean it up.
Yep. So have no fear, Gary will get it all smoothed out here, but we got to make it pretty and make it parked out first, and then he's going to come back and smooth it all out, and next year we'll have a bunch of grass here.
We still got about 3 months of getting all this out of here and getting it burnt and cleaned up, so you never know. We'll make it happen.
All right, so we're going to head out for the day, guys. Gary's been working way too hard. He needs to go take a break.
I'm ready for a break.
All right.
See you guys.